Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a crystal red 2015 GMC Terrain SLE, stock number 18G418A. Starting up front, you have factory fog lights. There's a sharp chrome trim on the grille. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches or dings. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a Cooper tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery, which is in fantastic condition. You've got a sharp red stitching here. Seating for 2 up front and seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Terrain. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a trailer hitch here in the back. You've also got a backup camera. Inside of the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you this GMC today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There is a Pioneer premium audio system. You have power lumbar adjustments and all-weather floor mats. As we take a step inside, coming to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side you have your cruise control buttons, and then on the right-hand side you have your audio controls. Looking at the rear view mirror, this is equipped with OnStar. You do have GMC IntelliLink. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. You have capabilities for XM satellite radio, Pandora radio, and Stitcher Smart Radio. Underneath of that you have additional audio controls. You've got your climate controls here. There are buttons for heated front row seating as well as your vehicle information buttons. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission with a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and highway mileage that's going to get you around 32 miles per gallon. You've also got your traction control button here as well. If you'd like to get more information on this Terrain or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.